U.S. Tax Basics for New Residents. Moving to a new country comes with many challenges, and understanding the tax system is often one of the most confusing. In the United States, taxes play a vital role in funding public services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. If you're a new resident, this guide will walk you through the basics of the U.S. tax system, helping you navigate it confidently. Welcome to Dallol Finance, your trusted guide to mastering the basics of financial life in the United States. If you're a new resident, you're in the right place. Taxes can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to make it simple. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of the U.S. tax system, step by step. Remember, you can always subscribe to Dallol Finance for more expert tips and detailed guides like this one. Visit our website, dallolfinance.com, to access even more resources tailored for new residents and financial beginners. Let's get started and make taxes less daunting together. 1. Basics of the U.S. tax system. U.S. tax basics. The U.S. tax system is overseen by two main entities: federal taxes, collected by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, for national services; state taxes, collected by individual states for local programs, with rates varying widely. Taxes are used to fund essential services such as public schools, healthcare programs, and national defense. Source: IRS Tax Basics. 2. Types of taxes you may encounter. Here are the main types of taxes you might face. Income tax, charged on your earnings by the federal government, most states, and sometimes local authorities. Source: IRS individual taxes. Payroll taxes, withheld from your paycheck to fund Social Security and Medicare. Sales tax, added to goods and services, varying by state. Property tax, paid by homeowners based on the value of their property. Self-employment tax, applies to freelancers or independent contractors to cover Social Security and Medicare contributions. 3. Documents you need to file taxes. Filing taxes requires specific documentation. Common forms include W-2. If you're employed, this form details your annual income and taxes withheld. Source: IRS forms and publications. 1099, used by freelancers and independent contractors. Form 1040, the primary tax return form for individuals. ITIN or SSN, an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, or Social Security number, SSN, is essential for filing taxes. If you don't have one, you can apply through the IRS. Source: IRS ITIN FAQ. 4. Tax filing season and deadlines. The standard deadline for filing federal taxes is April 15th of each year, or the next business day if it falls on a weekend or holiday. Source: IRS filing deadlines. Extensions are available if you need more time, but you must request one before the deadline. State tax deadlines may vary, so check with your state's tax department for specifics. 5. Steps to file taxes. Gather documents. Collect all income-related forms, W-2, 1099, etc. Determine your filing status. Options include single, married filing jointly, and head of household. Choose a filing method. Use software like TurboTax or H&R Block. Source: IRS Free File. Hire a tax preparer. For complex cases, a professional can help. File your return. Submit your tax return online or via mail. 6. Tax deductions and credits. Understanding deductions and credits can reduce your tax burden. Here are a few key examples. Standard deduction, a fixed amount that reduces your taxable income. Earned income tax credit, EITC for low to moderate income earners. Source: IRS tax credits. Child tax credit provides financial relief for parents. Student loan interest deduction reduces taxable income for those paying student loans. 7. Common tax mistakes and how to avoid them. Filing taxes can be tricky. Avoid these common errors. Missing the deadline. File on time to avoid penalties. Incorrect forms. Ensure you have all necessary forms and fill them out accurately. Residency status confusion. Know whether you are a resident alien, non-resident alien, or dual status taxpayer, as this affects your filing requirements. Source: IRS Tax Tips. 8. Resources for help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, plenty of resources can assist. IRS Free File offers free online tax filing tools. Source: IRS Free File. Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. VITA provides free help for eligible taxpayers, including non-English speakers. Source: IRS VITA Program. Professional Tax Services. For complex tax situations, consider hiring an accountant or tax attorney. Understanding and navigating the U.S. tax system doesn't have to be daunting. By familiarizing yourself with the basics, gathering the right documents, and knowing where to get help, you can confidently manage your tax responsibilities. Start early, stay organized, and make use of the many resources available to new residents. Filing your taxes is not just a legal requirement, but an important step in integrating into your new financial life in the United States. Remember to subscribe to Dallol Finance for more tips and guides. Visit our website at dallolfinance.com to stay informed and financially empowered. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal or financial advice. For personalized assistance, consult a qualified tax professional or